Tonight, Olivia and Ethan are invited to a big birthday party. They're getting ready at home.
Ethan, does this dress look okay?
You look amazing, Olivia.
Thanks, but I still feel nervous. It's a big party.
Don't worry, we'll go together. Just enjoy yourself.
Should I bring a gift?
Here, I already bought one.
You always think ahead.
Ready? Let's make tonight memorable.
Okay, I guess I'm ready too.
Let's double check everything. Keys, wallet, gift.
Got it. We're all set.
Perfect. Let's go have some fun.
I hope everyone likes the gift.
They will. And if not, we'll enjoy the party anyway.
You're right. Let's make tonight special.
Olivia and Ethan arrive at the decorated house. Music and laughter fill the air.
Welcome! You both made it. Wow, the decorations are beautiful.
And so many people are here already.
Come inside. Don't stand at the door.
Thank you for inviting us. The party is just starting. Grab a drink, relax.
Sounds perfect.
Let's see who's here.
Olivia, over here.
Hey, it's been so long.
Looks like someone is popular.
Don't tease me, Ethan.
Drinks are over there. Make yourselves comfortable.
Thanks. I think we'll start with some juice.
Good idea. Let's explore the food later.
Okay, first, greetings.
Olivia meets some friends she hasn't seen in years.
Olivia, is that really you?
Oh my gosh, it's been ages.
Looks like someone is popular.
Don't tease me, Ethan.
Who's this?
This is Ethan. He's my best friend.
Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you.
Let's catch up later. We have so much to talk about.
Definitely. I can't believe you're here. I know. It feels like yesterday we were in school together.
You really made a lot of friends here.
Yeah, this party is perfect for reconnecting.
We should take a selfie.
Yes, let's do it. I'll take it.
The music gets louder and the dance floor fills up.
Come on, Olivia. Ethan, let's dance. Oh no, I'm a terrible dancer.
Don't worry. Just follow me.
Okay, but if I step on your foot, it's your fault.
Deal. Let's go.
Wow, you guys look great together.
Really? I feel silly.
No, you look amazing. Just enjoy the moment.
Let's do a group dance.
All right, follow me.
I hope I don't trip.
Don't worry, just move with the music.
Look at Ethan go.
You're actually not bad.
Thanks. You're a good teacher.
I love this energy.
After dancing, Olivia and Ethan head to the food table.
Look at all this food. I don't know where to start.
Maybe start with something small.
Try the pasta. It's delicious.
I'll have some salad first.
And I'll try the chicken wings.
Don't take too many. Leave some for others.
Fine, but I'm coming back for seconds.
You're impossible.
The cake is amazing too.
Ooh, we'll save that for later.
Yes, I'm not eating it yet.
Don't forget the drinks.
Juice for me, please.
Water for me.
Let's sit and chat while eating.
Great idea.
This is perfect.
The host gathers everyone for truth or dare.
Let's play truth or dare.
Oh no, this is scary.
Don't worry, I'll protect you.
Olivia, truth or dare?
Truth?
Who was your first crush?
I'm not telling the name.
Come on, rules are rules.
Fine. Just that it was long ago.
Ethan, truth or dare.
Dare.
Dance on one leg for 30 seconds.
Okay, but no laughing.
Too late. I'm already laughing.
Dance! Dance! Okay, this is embarrassing.
Ethan overhears Olivia laughing with her old friend and feels a little unsure.
You looked close to Mark. Are you two very old friends?
Yes, we studied together in college. Why do you sound jealous?
I'm not jealous, just asking.
Ethan, don't worry. You're the one I came with tonight.
You're right. Sorry, I overreacted.
It's okay. Let's just enjoy tonight.
Yes, no drama, only fun.
I'm glad we're here together.
Me too.
You two look cute standing there.
Stop teasing us.
All right, let's go get some drinks.
Good idea. We need energy for the next dance.
Don't let Ethan run away from dancing again.
Everyone gathers for a big group photo.
Group photo time. Come closer. Ethan, stand beside me.
Wait, my hair looks messy.
Hurry! The cake is waiting!
Say cheese.
Cheese! Did my smile look weird?
No, you looked perfect.
Let's take another one for safety.
Okay, everyone say party time!
Party time! I love these moments.
Me too. Memories for life.
Let's print these photos later.
Definitely.
All right, now cake time.
The birthday cake is brought out and everyone gathers around.
Thank you all for being here. Let's cut the cake. Happy birthday!
That cake looks delicious. Can I get a big slice?
Sure, but let me eat first.
Don't steal the first bite.
Don't worry, Ethan. I'll save you some.
You're the best.
Who wants chocolate first? Me.
I'll take vanilla then.
Don't forget to take a photo of the cake before eating.
Good point.
Everyone ready?
Yes!
After the cake, someone suggests a funny dance battle.
Who wants a dance battle?
Oh no, not me.
Come on, Ethan. Don't be shy. I'll challenge Ethan.
Fine, but don't laugh too hard.
You're actually doing great.
Let's see who can do the funniest move.
Ethan, copy me.
Okay, I'll try.
This is the funniest party ever. I agree.
Winner gets the last slice of cake. We already ate it.
Olivia and Ethan step outside for some fresh air and quiet.
It's so noisy inside. I needed a break.
Yeah, the stars look beautiful from here.
Tonight has been fun, right?
Yes, but the best part was being with you.
You always say the sweetest things.
Because they're true.
I'm really glad we came.
Me too.
These moments make me appreciate friendship more.
And family and old friends too.
I feel grateful for tonight.
Me too. Let's remember this forever.
Definitely.
Shall we go back in?
Yes, let's enjoy the rest of the party.
The party is ending and guests start leaving.
Thank you all for coming.
It was an amazing night.
Yes, thank you for inviting us.
Let's meet again soon.
Absolutely.
Time to head home, Olivia?
Yes, but I'll miss this fun.
Drive safe.
Thank you. See you soon.
Good night, everyone.
Don't forget to share photos.
Of course.
I'll help you organize them.
You're the best, Ethan.
Only the best for you.
Olivia and Ethan walk home, reflecting on the night.
Tonight was amazing.
Yes, we laughed, danced, and ate too much cake.
I also reconnected with old friends. That made me really happy.
And I realized something.
What?
The best parties aren't about the music or food. They're about the people you share them with.
You're right. And I'm glad I shared tonight with you.
Me too. This night will stay in my memory forever.
Friendship and laughter make every moment special.
Tonight showed that parties are about friendship, laughter, small misunderstandings, and creating special memories. Olivia and Ethan enjoyed every moment, danced, played games, ate cake, reconnected with old friends, and grew closer. Sharing happiness with loved ones makes any party unforgettable.
10 vocabulary.
1. Decorations. Items used to make a place look attractive for a party, e.g., balloons, lights, banners. 2. Cheerful, full of happiness and positivity. 3. Embarrassed, feeling awkward or self-conscious in a situation. 4. Teasing, playful joking or making fun in a friendly way. 5. Reassuring, comforting someone or making them feel safe. 6. Overreacted, responding too strongly to a situation. 7. Cheering, shouting or applauding to show excitement or support. 8. Grateful, feeling thankful or appreciative. 9. Nostalgic, feeling sentimental about the past. 10. Reflective, thinking deeply about experiences or events.